Hello, this is Jacob Ochogrosso, and
Mr. Spencer Olson.
together we are the Pink Dragonfly. Today we gather to bring you some fun physics for your enjoyment.
Yes, very fun physics.
And so enjoy the following clips, all of them educational, of course, and don't do any of this stuff at home. We are what you call professionals.
Yeah. All right, our first subject today is average velocity. Average velocity is a vector, a measurement of distance over time with a direction. Speed is velocity without the aforementioned direction. My friend Mr. Ocho is going to demonstrate this for us by covering the 30 meters behind me between the two blocks in approximately 3 seconds for an average velocity of 10 meters per second.
And now, children, we move to free fall and acceleration. Acceleration is the change of velocity over time. When acceleration is constant, as with gravity, velocity will increase at a constant rate. Free fall is simply falling with increasing velocity due to acceleration from gravity. Watch now as I force Spencer to walk the plank. You scary dog, get off.
Next up for us today are projectiles. Projectiles are any objects put into motion by a force which ceases to act upon the object once the object is in motion. As Mr. Oach is demonstrating behind us, each of the objects fired are projectiles put into motion by the force of the projectile launcher. And now we see Mr. Oach is simply having fun firing projectiles at my Banshee. No!
Mutiny!
We cannot have this. And now for something completely different.
At this elevated location, potential energy is at a maximum due to our position and the force of gravity. In a few seconds, Mr. Olson will kindly sacrifice himself for science so we can see his potential energy decrease as his kinetic energy rises until impact resulting in his untimely demise. Never shall we forget brave Mr. Olson.
And now for breaking news.
Centripetal force is a force directed inwards that causes an object to follow a curved path. Mr. Olson, miraculously respawned from the dead, will demonstrate this idea as he soars behind me in this whirly bird of an alien spacecraft. Watch out for those mountains, Mr. Olson, for we do not wish to lose you again.
The things I do for science, ladies and gentlemen. Our final topic today is momentum. The relation of mass and velocity that is conserved within a closed system. To demonstrate this idea for us today, we will vary the two factors involved in momentum, demonstrated by these three vehicles. To begin, a very high velocity coupled with a low mass delivers enough momentum to still kill me. Oh, and I get killed again. As we see, when the mass is increased and the velocity decreased, momentum remains the same. And now for our finale, we increase mass all the way and decrease velocity even further, and yet still I get run over.
Well, that's all, folks. You guys have been a truly lovely audience.
Amazing.
Enjoy this clip.
We thought it was cool.